Hey, welcome to Hoory AI's How-To series. In this episode, I will show you how to create and set up your knowledge-based AI assistant. Let's get started. There are two types of AI assistants in Hoory AI. First is knowledge-based and the other is rule-based. To start training your AI assistant, you need to select one of them. In this edition, I will show you how to configure your knowledge-based AI assistant to be well-prepared and competent to answer customer queries at its best. As a start, log into your Hoory AI account. To launch your knowledge-based AI assistant, navigate to AI Assistant tab from the left sidebar and click Create an AI Assistant button on the top right corner of your screen. On this page, name your AI assistant and provide a brief description in AI Assistant Instructions field. Provide a short summary of your AI assistant's functions, expected behavior, persona, and the actions that it should avoid. Make sure to keep it short, as you have the chance to expand the instructions in the training notes once your AI assistant is created. Then enable or disable the restricted mode. It is disabled by default, but if you enable this option, your AI assistant relies solely on user-defined data and instructions to form a reply. After that, choose the large language model for your AI assistant. There are 4 options: GPT-4o, Gemini Pro, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, or a custom LLM. After filling in the fields, click Save and you will see a message confirming that your AI assistant has been successfully created. Now it's time to train your AI assistant. Click the Launch button in the Training Notes section. This action will direct you to the training notes. Here you can store and organize your data using Markdown formatting. Here you can easily document information and ensure consistency across multiple documents. To add a new page, click the plus icon at the top and start typing in the training information. The training is auto-saved and added to the list of the available trainings. To proceed with the next one, easily click the plus icon as mentioned above. To ensure your AI assistant communicates the information, you need to connect it to an inbox. To do that, go to Settings, Inboxes, Inbox Settings, AI Assistant Configuration, and select the newly created AI assistant from the drop-down and click Update. You will see a success message confirming that your AI assistant has been successfully connected to the selected inbox. To test if everything works as expected, go to Inbox Settings, click the arrow icon next to Channel Domain. You will land on the below screen where you need to click Start Conversation and test your widget on the spot. Now let's type a question as an end user. Here is the response from the AI assistant. That's it. As you can see, your AI assistant provides answers based on the information provided in the training notes. Wrapping up, as you learn the fundamentals, remember there's so much more to experiment with Hoory AI. Keep exploring, learning, and innovating, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content.